2020, AquaGuard joined Groundworks to reimagine our future.
And give our employees more opportunities than they could ever imagine.
This is our story. I started the company in January of 1995. It was myself and one technician. Quite honestly, our goal initially was just to make sure we were around our second year.
With the tools that Groundworks has brought to the table, we've watched our team take it to the next level.
5 years ago, I would not have imagined AquaGuard to be where we are today.
AquaGuard was a good company before, but now we're a great company.
We've been given resources that we probably would have never had, whether it's our teams needing new vehicles, new tools to serve our customers. Just knowing that something's possible opens your mind up and your ability to do more.
We've been given a lot more opportunities to utilize data so we can make very informed decisions, which sets our business up for success as we continue to move into different areas in the market, and it's just absolutely helping to raise our business to the next level.
In 2024, we split the brand into 2 locations to increase our ability to grow and continue to influence the city of Atlanta and the surrounding areas.
We're now able to serve around 16,000 homeowners a year by having 2 separate locations.
If we look at the sales side, $43 million to $54 million, it's pretty significant. But to see that level of growth is pretty remarkable.
From the changes of working with Groundworks, taking in processes, showing about a 64% growth that we're incredibly proud of and aiming to strive to hit even a higher EBITDA.
When a guy comes up to me and he's done doing his training and he's lit up and he's excited, is one of the most exciting things for me as a operations manager now, because now Groundworks gives them a clear path to grow their careers.
You're not just going to be a foreman or a tech or whatever the case may be the entire time. There's more to it than just that.
The standardized training that has come about since Groundworks, that's been a great benefit.
Our mission is total market dominance, but we want to see growth through that. We want to see growth individually. We want to see growth in the community.
It's amazing to see every time someone hits that 6-month mark and they see the ownership certificate come in and just how proud they are.
Ownership is a really, really big thing. A lot of people have something to look forward to, actually motivate people to work a little bit harder because a lot of people respect the fact that they're owners.
Ownership means to me taking care of everything that you're doing, putting your own name on the install, and taking care of the customer better.
These past 5 years has been immaculate for me. It has set me up for the next 5 years to go even further. We are constantly growing, and now we're reaping the benefits of that.
I don't think anyone could ever have imagined how we would have ended up. There's some good things coming in the future for sure.
The AquaGuard brand's been around for 30 years, and to see it pretty much take over Georgia, it's been nice to see.
We're just moving in the right direction, and I don't know what's more exciting than that.